Right, so now let's fulfill that order, right? So we've got this email and we've gone, right, here's the order. Let me close some tabs. Here's the order information. I'm going to go off to my storeroom, or I'm going to send the information to whoever orders it, and I package it and send it out. So I'm going to mark as fulfilled. Tracking number, whatever. All right, let's do this one. Shipping carrier, whoever sent it. So I might do Royal Mail, and that would need to be a proper thing. And send shipping details to your customer. Right, so you can send that information. Fulfill items, and as far as you're concerned, it's gone, it's sent, the customer has a tracking information, and the order is fulfilled, right? Yes, there's the wait time to say when if it's arrived, but that may be down to the customer to tell you it hasn't. So here you go. The drinkable experience. Your order is on the way. Your order is on the way. Track your shipment to see the delivery. So this will take you to the Royal Mail site, and if that was a proper tracking number, it would give you the information. So you would go and you would get your the tracking information, right? I don't know if you can edit that from there. More. But as far as you're concerned now, you have sent it Royal Mail, the customer's happy. You may want to add a step to say that they've received it, but as far as you're concerned, the process, the transaction is over.